product review time. I love these mixing bowls, really awesome. This set comes with 6 different sizes of mixing bowls. Awesome! Each one of these mixing bowls also has this bottom, like silicone to it, and so it really keeps it from moving around a lot on your counter. Super nice. And these lids are really great. They are airtight lids. And these bowls are all stainless steel. They are dishwasher safe and they are freezer safe and they are BPA free. One of the coolest features of this lid for this medium-sized bowl is this little middle part comes out, and then there's 3 different grater attachments that work right on here, which is really cool. You got a slicer, you got a small grinder, a grater, and then a standard grater for like cheese. We just go like this. And then it falls right into the bowl, so it just makes it like kind of a one-stop shop. You don't need a separate grater or anything like that. And then it goes right into the bowl. Just like that. You got the cheese in there. Really awesome. And just like most mixing bowls, these are going to collapse here and nest into a very, very small space. Take all these lids here, just pile them up like this inside here. And all of our little attachments go right in there. And so it's very, very compact when it's all together, and it fits very well in your shelf in your cupboard. Really awesome. Right now these are on sale, I think 15 to 20% off in the shop. So down there in the corner somewhere you can find a link if you want to pick one of these up. Great set of mixing bowls if you're in the market for some new mixing bowls. Thanks for watching.